See how to install Eclipse in Windows 11 operating system. So open your favorite browser and search for Eclipse. Just hit enter. Now you will get the official website, that is eclipse.org, the official website for it. So click on this link. Now you will navigate to this page, and from here we have the download option. This, just click on this download. So here you can see we have it for the desktop, and it is for the 64-bit. So just click on this download button again. Again here we have the download button, so click on this download and it will start automatically downloading. So you can see it is started downloading, and if it is not started, just you can click here, you can download it. So let's wait till download complete, then we'll install it. So it is an just 132 MB file. So let's wait. So we have downloaded Eclipse. Now let's install it. For that, just click on this. So it is an exe file. So from here we can install. Let's close all the things. Now here we have to select the Eclipse ID for the enterprise Java web development. Click this. Now this is the path where installation all the files will be stored, and this is our Java JDK which we have already installed. Now let's click on this install button to install. So it will take just small amount of time to install. So let's wait. So we have installed it successfully. Let's launch. So So to work with Eclipse, we need to create an workplace. You can select your own path if you want. You can just directly browse and you can select your own. I'm selecting the existing one, and I'll just check this checkbox to use this as a default one and click on launch. Then click on continue. Now it is starting. So this is an Eclipse. From here you can create a new project like Maven project, dynamic web project, enterprise application. So this is an Eclipse. Now we'll see the next status or next step.